is Cold Cut.
We've got a hot one for you.
Welcome. He's Jonathan Moore
He's Matt Black.
with Cold Cut.
Well, before Cold Cut happened, I was DJing in clubs in London and working on a pirate radio station called Kiss FM, and also working in a record shop where I met Matt.
I've been DJing in Spain, and also I've been DJing at warehouse parties in London. And from there, John and I decided that we could make a record ourselves and put it out ourselves, and that's what we did.
Called Say Kids, What Time Is It?
And that was in January 1987. We did 500 copies of it, and it quickly became really popular in London. So from there, we decided to take it to the next stage and start doing remixes. Cold Cut like to use different noises to what other artists use, and we like to do all different kinds of records. We like to produce what we call the street records, like hip-hop releases like Black Radical, Monsoon, and we release records for the pop charts as well, so like we try and do a bit of everything.
First thing we do when we're putting a track together is start with the beat.
Then we add something from a record like this.
Having got that into our sampler, we play it. And that's it.
The thing about warehouse parties in London, which is where we started off, is that in the course of a warehouse party, we play as much different types of music as possible, from reggae to Latin to hip-hop, and people liked that. With things like acid house, it's a bit boring to hear acid house music all night long. And we try and put a warehouse party on plastic and cover as many different influences and noises as possible. That's what makes Cold Cut different. We made our first record just using a cassette deck and turntable that any DJ's got. Anyone can make music like that. With the money we made from that, we took it to the next stage and got a small drum machine so we could add our own funky drum beats to the tunes we were doing. The stage on from that is the sampler.
And this is our sampler, and with this sampler and these toys here, we affect the sound. Quite often we mix that down onto this, which is a DAT.
DAT.
Digital audio tape cassette player. But sometimes we have to go down into a proper studio. Good, so
here we are in the big studio. When we've worked out all the beats and breaks and noises we're going to use upstairs and written the song, we come down here to record our featured vocalists. Plastic population is the people who use plastic to achieve their evil ends, right? Which is what we do when we put plastic on the turntables and mash it up.
Producing artists is always very interesting as well, because it's always a nice kind of battle to get like the best out of yourself, the best out of other people.
People often ask us why we work with different vocalists.
Basically, we can't sing. Well, here we are in the vocal room. Sometimes when we're with our artists, we write our songs in here. With Yaz, for instance, we wrote Doctor in the House. When we worked with Marky Smith, he'd got all the words written and we had the backing track, so he just came in here and did the vocal.
That gave us I'm in Deep, which you can find on the LP.
When we were with Junior Reid, we were writing and listening to what we were getting from Junior singing, and he'd come from here into the other control room and listen to what we'd got, and then we'd change a few things around. He'd come back in, and we ended up with Stop This Crazy Thing.
A reggae hip-hop go-go workout. When we go out and play in the club, we don't want people to stand around and watch like what we're doing with the records and how we're scratching and what mixer we're using. We're there for people to dance. That's what Cold Cut's about.
Cold Cut like house. We like go-go. We like reggae. We like hip-hop.
That's why we like to work with loads of different people.
Is that it?
That's it. Bye.